Good morning, students.
Good morning.
How are you all?
Fine.
Okay, good. Students, today we learn a very interesting topic of our today's scenario, which is, very common in today's life. But before starting my topic, I'll ask you a few questions. Just raise your hands if you know the answer. Don't give me collective answers. Okay, students? Okay. Students, what do you see in this picture?
Ordering online.
Yes, very good. And what you see in this picture?
Delivery boy.
Yes, the food is getting delivered. What does this picture shows?
Internet.
Yes, very good. Students, name the term used in commerce in which buying and selling is done through internet.
E-commerce.
Yes, very good. So, our topic for today's class is e-commerce. Students, take out your notebooks and start writing. First of all, we'll learn about the meaning of e-commerce. Okay, students? Students, what is e-commerce? E-commerce is a type of business, type of transaction in which both buying and selling is done with the help of internet. Okay, students? Yes? You all got my point? Okay. So, students, buying and selling of goods and services through internet is known as e-commerce. E-commerce stands for electronic commerce. Okay, students? Now, let's proceed further to the definition of e-commerce. Write down. The definition is given by World Trade Organization. This is electronic commerce or e-commerce is defined as the production, distribution, marketing, sale or delivery of goods and services by electronic means. Now tell me, what is the meaning of production? Yes, anyone?
Processing from raw material to the final goods.
Very good, very good. So students, this definition depicts that production, that means to produce a product from raw material to finished good, distribution from one place to another, marketing to promote the product, sale means to deliver product from one place to another, from seller to the buyer of goods and services through electronic means is known as e-commerce. I think now definition is clear to you all. Yes?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, good. So students, our main topic to study the e-commerce is models of e-commerce. Okay students, now we'll study about four models of e-commerce, that is business to business, consumer to business to consumer, and the last one is consumer to consumer. First of all, we'll learn about business to business. Students, in business to business, it is a type of transaction in which both parties are business parties. Okay, students? In this, there is no consumer a direct transaction between one business to another business. Now, the sale and purchase of goods or services between businesses is via an online channel. As I have already told you, the sale and purchase of goods or services between two businesses is known as business to business e-commerce. It is known as e-commerce because we are using online channels to do the business. Next, it is commonly used where one company will purchase raw material from another to be used in the manufacturing process. Okay, in this, one business purchase product from other business to make a final product for further production of a product. Okay, students. Now, tell me. Now I'll tell you that automobile industry is the backbone of B2B because business to business is easy to done when we are doing automobile industry works. Okay, students? Now tell me what you see on the slide.
LinkedIn website.
Yes. Can anyone tell, do you know what is LinkedIn? Okay.
Online online job site.
Partially
Work.
right. Students on LinkedIn.
This is a social media website of for business.
Yes, you are right. LinkedIn is a professional networking website on which two businesses meet to run a particular business or to do a common business or with a mutual understanding. Okay, students, LinkedIn is the very common website on which B2B e-commerce is done. Now, tell me what is shown on the slide.
India Mart.
Yes. Students, India Mart was founded in 1999. It leads the B2B marketplace with over 60% market share of the online B2B classified space in India. Okay, students, I think we all know about the India Mart. Is there any student who don't have any idea about India Mart? Yes?
No, ma'am.
Yes, because students, it is a very common website and we usually, hear about these websites. The main vision of India Mart is business करना बड़ा आसान है. Okay, students, whenever we see any advertisement of India Mart on television, on YouTube, on Facebook, they usually say business करना बड़ा आसान है. सुना ही होगा आपने, right?
Yes, ma'am.
They provide a platform to small and medium enterprises, large enterprises as well as individuals. There is no limit for a particular type of business or a particular enterprise. They provide business to all type of enterprises whenever whichever type of they have. It could be large, it could be small, it could be medium. Okay, students. Now let's proceed further. Now we learn how business to business is done. Now I'll show you a model to explain. Students, is it visible?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Students, what is written on this building? Yes?
CarMax.
Very good. And what is written on this one? Speak up, students.
Vehicle keys.
Very good. Students, they both are two business enterprises. They produce cars and they have spare parts to make the car. Okay. Now, this business want to buy product or raw material or spare parts from this business. Okay. Now, Carmex will place a order online. Okay, students. And whenever vehicle keys will see that there is an online order for them from Carmex, their order will be processed. Okay, they place the order get processed and reach to vehicle keys. Now they will provide spare parts to Carmex. Okay, Carmex will produce the products and took it to customer. Okay, students, is there any confusion between the model?
No, ma'am.
Okay. Now, students, you give me any example of B2B. Yes, anyone?
Alibaba.
Very good. Anyone else? Yes, students. Don't you know any B2B website?
No, ma'am. OLX. No,
Sorry?
Amazon.
Yes, very good. Amazon is also a B2B e-commerce website. Okay, students. Now let's proceed to the next model, that is consumer to business. Okay. Now in this business type of business, both the parties are two parties are involved in this. One is consumer and another one is business. Now, in this type of e-commerce, consumer provides services to business. Okay, students? Now, you can see on the slide, consumer offering goods and services to the company. It is a business model in which consumer create value and business consume that value. Okay, in this consumer creates a value, provides the product, provides the goods and services, and business enjoy that goods and services and value the goods or services of a consumer. Okay, students. Now tell me what is shown on the screen.
Affiliate marketing.
Yes. Do you know what is the working of affiliate marketing? Students, affiliate marketing is the process of earning money every time you promote a company's product or services. Okay, students, this shows whenever a consumer promote the product of a business. It is also a C2B e-commerce. How? Because business is producing a product, okay? They are not promoting it, but consumer is promoting their product. So consumer is providing their services to the business. Okay, students?
हाँ ठीक है बच्चे बस कर ठीक है ठीक है अच्छा है लेसन लेकिन ਇਹਦੇ ਚ ਨਾ बार-बार ਇਹ ਨਹੀਂ ਪੁੱਛਣਾ ਹੈਗਾ कैन यू नो डू यू नो है ना
ठीक है सर।
ਇਹ ਕੋਈ ਪੁੱਛਿਆ इज देयर एनी स्टूडेंट है ना मतलब नहीं करना है ठीक है और ਜਿਹੜਾ ਪੁਆਇੰਟਰ ਹੈ ਉਹ ਕੰਟੀਨਿਊਸਲੀ ਆਪਣੇ ਹੱਥ 'ਚ ਨਹੀਂ ਰੱਖਣਾ ਜਦੋਂ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਨਾ ਬਸ ਉਦੋਂ ਯੂਜ਼ ਕਰਕੇ ਉਹਨੂੰ ਰੱਖ ਦੇਣਾ ਸਾਈਡ ਤੇ
ठीक है सर।
हाँ
हाँ
बस
जी।
ठीक है
थैंक यू सर।
हाँ